All right, guys, so we are going to review part, whole for subtraction today. All right, so we're not starting a new lesson. We're just going to do a review, and all you need is your part, whole table and a dry erase marker. And remember, you can write on here, or you can use your counters and place them in your boxes. Okay, up to you. All right, so I have the whole thing on here, which is 9. And then I have a part, which is 2. So your subtraction sentence would be 9, take away 2, and that's how you will get your other part. So to help you visualize, you could draw 9 of your counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, because the whole thing is 9. And 2 of them we'll say are yellow, okay? And the rest are red. So what is the rest? What is the other part? You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your answer would be 7. And put it together. 2 and 7, or 7 and 2. Does it give you 9? Yes, it does. All right, you could also look at this and say, my whole thing is 9. One part is 2. What is the other part? And you could say 2 and count up to 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go back and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, it is 7. So your answer would be 7. Remember, you're going to use all the strategies that you have in your brain to solve this, okay? It doesn't matter which way you do it. As long as you get that answer and you can explain it, how you did it, you're good to go. All right, let's go to the next one. So here we have the whole thing, which is 8. One part is 3. What is the other part? You can solve it by doing 8 minus 3, or you could count up from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why do I stop at 8? Because the whole thing is 8. So what's the other part? Go back and count your circles. 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. You could also find 8 counters, take away 3 of them, and see what's left, and you'll get 5. All right, here we have, the whole thing is 6. One part is 5. What is the other part? How are you going to solve it? Are you going to solve it by doing 6 minus 5? Or are you going to count up to 6 starting at 5? 5, 6. That makes just 1. And 6 take away 5 equals 1. You got it? You with me? Let's keep going. All right, here we have 4 minus 2. So the whole thing is 4. One part is 2. What is the other part? You could say 2, 3, 4. And you see that the other part is 2. Or you could draw 4 or put 4 counters down here. 2 of them are red. The rest is white. What is the rest? 2. Same answer. All right. The whole thing is 5. One part is 3. What is the other part? Your subtraction sentence would be 5 minus 3 equals what? So you can say 3 and count up till you get to 5. 3, 4, 5, and that gives you 2. And look, if I put 5 counters down here and make 3 of them red, because that's the number they gave me. What's left? 2. And look right here. 2. Okay? 2 different ways to get to the same answer. All right, the whole thing is 7. One part is 4. What is the other part? 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at that. It is 3, because 7 take away 4 equals 3. Let me show you this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the other number they gave us is 4. So take 4. And look what's left. 3. And we already got there. Okay? All right. The whole thing is 6. If one part is 6, this is so easy, guys, right? What's the other part? Well, it has to be 0. Because remember, those two numbers put together have to give you this big number. Okay? So if part is 6, then the other part has to be 0. All right? The whole thing is 5. One part is 4. What's the other part? Good. 1. Because you can say 4 and count up 5. And you can see that it is just 1. Or take 5 counters. 3, 4, 5 counters. Move away 4 of them. And that will leave you with just 1. All right. The whole thing is 8. One part is 1. What is the other part? You can solve it by doing 8 minus 1. And that would be easy to do subtraction, because think about 8 and what is 1 less? 1 less. 7. 7. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go back and count those dots and you'll get 7. Or you could put 8 counters down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And move away one of them. And you'll see that's what's left is 7. All right. The whole thing is 4. Part is 3. So you can solve it by doing 4 minus 3. Or you could say 3, count up to 4. 3, 4. It's just 1. Just 1. Or look, if you put 4 counters down here, take away 3. What's left? 1. Easy peasy, right? Lemon squeezy. All right, so I've got 7, the whole thing. Part is 5. What's the other part? What is 7 minus 5? Or say 5, count up to 7. 5, 6, 7. What is it? 2. Remember, 2 parts put together give you the big number, the whole thing. So here your difference is 2. All right, let's do one more. We have 9 minus 4, because the whole thing is 9. Part is 4. What's the other part? You can do subtraction. You can draw or put 9 counters down here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number they gave you is 4. So put it away, because you know this number. And what's left? 5. 5. Or you could have said 4 and count up to 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Very good. All right. I hope you are doing good with this. If you are still having trouble, make sure to tell your parents, and your parents can email me and we can do some more work about this. Okay? Bye.